How to change Ring Floodlight battery. Turn off the power to the floodlight from the main switch to make the process safe. Stand under the Ring Floodlight and gently hold the camera unit with one hand. Locate the battery compartment on the bottom or back side of the floodlight camera. Press the small release tab on the battery compartment to unlock the battery pack. Carefully pull the battery pack out from the floodlight camera body. Check the battery pack and notice the small charging port or battery slot. If the battery is removable, take the old battery out of the battery pack slowly. Prepare a fully charged replacement battery that is compatible with the Ring Floodlight camera. Insert the new battery into the battery pack while aligning it correctly with the contacts. Slide the battery pack back into the floodlight camera until it fits properly. Push the battery pack gently until you hear or feel it lock into place. Turn the power back on from the main switch after the battery is secured. Open the Ring app on your phone and check the device status in the dashboard. Confirm that the floodlight camera turns on and starts working normally with the new battery installed. Thank you for watching.